دبي تعطيك امان
وظل القياده الرشيده اللي فيها، اللي هي حببت الناس والعالم كله في هالبلد. فانا بالفعل فخور بنفسي وفخور بهالدوله الطيبه.
لبناني.
انا شخصيا ابن مصر.
قيام على البلد ليل مع نهار، تركيزه، ما كنا وصلنا للي وصلنا.
أنا والله عمري 5 سنين وأنا تحت البوش، وهذا يعني اللي ما له ماضي الله يرحم أبوي زايد ما له حاضر.
فاليوم الكل عايش سواء موافد أو مواطن، نحمد الله سبحانه وتعالى أن نحن في أمان وفي استقرار وفي أحلى، يعني وين ما تروح تلقى أنك أنت بين أخوانك وبين أهلك وبين ربعك وبين عشيرتك وبين الجميع.
نفدى تراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها نبذل الغالي لها دوم ونهب. تاريخ لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب. زايد أسسها واليوم وراها داروا على الدانا 7 أبد.
Welcome everyone with your program Peers of Union, who invite the most successful study and person here in UAE. Today from Abu Dhabi city. We are so happy to meet you today.
Thank you very much.
Well, today we need to speak about your experience in this country. First, we need to know more details about you to introduce yourself for everyone.
My name is Vattem Narendra Babu, CEO of iSpatial Techno Solutions. Thank you for giving us the opportunity today, and I'm having 25 years of experience in implementing IT systems for different area of the artificial intelligence and AI and geospatial information systems and digital data management. I worked in Singapore and Middle East as well as in the US. Doing that, 2009 we established an organization, and where I moved to the CEO of this organization in 2018, and been driving this with passion and commitment. This is about myself.
Mm-hmm. So, Mr. We need to start from the beginning. The idea to come to this country, to choose UAE, especially Abu Dhabi, for business and for life. From where the idea to open your private business here in UAE?
Yeah, actually, when we started, we went from the early days of my career. I'm really looking for giving an opportunity for people, what I can contribute for a community, and what I can, with my knowledge and experience, what I can do for a community. So it came up in my mind that I have to think about something innovation and where it can make a difference and solving the real problem actually. So where I'm very passionate about come up with some kind of a solutions and some kind of a thinking differently. So when I see that when I'm working in Singapore, also when I'm working in the US and multiple clients and even the UAE from 2003 when I came, I see that there are a lot of opportunities here, and with the leadership vision and a lot of initiations are happening here in terms of the real estate and also the government sector. So where we see that there is a lot of potential in the Middle East actually. So we established an office here, and where we started exploring the opportunities, and that's where we positioned ourselves. We build a very good client base here, and relation understanding about their current challenges. That's where now we position ourselves last 5 years very actively delivering the solutions for different sectors. It's not only just focusing on one particular sector like digital data management aspects, even environmental aspects, even for oil and gas. This is one of the critical factor here, and where we also contributed a lot in the sector. And even for the agriculture sector also, even we have done a very good tremendous solutions for the agriculture sector. So these are all what I can see that we well aware of the UAE environment and the maturity level of the systems, and even across the globe there are different systems already implemented, and there is technology is moving very fast, and adapting the technology and solving the real-time business challenges is really key for the success of any of the organization. So where we focus more on adapting the best practices. Even we have a lot of R&D center. We come up with the products, different kind of products where it can help our clients to solve their challenges. The technology frameworks quickly enable the solutions for them, and our turnaround time is very, very fast, and where we are delivering our solutions to the clients. So that's where we position ourselves uniquely for offering our solutions to the client.
From your position, Mr. The CEO of this company, sure that you have some strategy for work, and you choose your team, a special person to work in this company. So about the strategy, what you doing about this one?
Yeah, strategy point of view, first our vision is very clear, what to target. First, solving the current operational challenges, and also adapting the best practices and best technology. And in line with that, we are all continuously building our skill set. The team is very important, and policies are important, procedures are important. The work culture is very important actually. And where we see that we have a very good team in India at the delivery center, even in the US and also here. So the good advantage is we have a multicultural people and having a different kind of knowledge and experience. So always we are now thinking about innovation, how we can able to bring that innovation to solve the challenges. So this is a key thing, and skill development also we are doing a continuous capacity building part of our organization policies. So that helps to everybody was aiming to reach that objective of the vision and mission of our organization. And we are also very keen on the transparency of communication within our organization. That is also helps the people to contribute better for an organization success. And the teamwork is one of the key area where it can help keeping the good relation with the people, transparency and communication. So that helps to motivate each other and continuously building their career, and as well as contributing better for an organization.
For the future plan now, so we need to know your vision for the future, for this company, for the service of this company.
Sure. The future point of view, which is we have been studying the market and also understanding the different kind of patterns in the community. What is going on nowadays? The key trend is the technology is moving very fast, and adapting the technology and really the challenge actually. So where the artificial intelligence and even the future innovation is like mobility, transportation, where it will be coming hyperloops, and as well as drone technology, and even there are different kind of innovations that's happening. And where we are seeing that the coming 20 years, the future is more on the artificial intelligence, data management, cloud computing, and also the smart cities and the digital twin. So these are all areas where last 5 years we have been heavily invested on our time and R&D, and now we are really getting the value of it actually. So last year we really got opportunity to implement best solutions for even identifying the oil leaks and oil spills and gas leaks and different kind of scenarios. So by applying the AI and remote sensing techniques. Also we do some kind of a predictive analysis in healthcare and as well as for the education domain. We also do the digital innovations and adapting a kind of online learning management platform, which is really the COVID is also one of the thing which is everybody shifting towards the normal practices to the digital innovations. So this is where our services are helping our clients to adapt the different situations quickly by applying the latest technologies actually. This is one of the thing, and where we are really targeting for the future aspect of it is we are continuously investing on our in R&D and also partnerships with our innovation solutions where we could able to bring that into the UAE and adapting that quickly to deliver our clients actually. So, one is the partnerships, another one is our own products and delivering it, and also continuous capacity building towards the innovations and future needs. So this helps us cutting edge technologies where we are implementing different kind of solutions. So this helps us to position market unique and give us more opportunities to scale up our business and expand our portfolio. And the one more aspect is we were looking for our clients always client satisfaction, and as well as solving the client challenges will really helps us to build a sustainable business, and it makes us more what I can say the productive of our services actually. So these are all the factors will help us to making the future business actually.
Yeah. So Mr. Many people from the new generation now thinking about open private business like you. So we need from your side a motivation message for this generation to give him a push or advice for the work.
This is really UAE is a great opportunity for people, especially the young generation. Where we started our career, we really see that the technology was not really matured, and we don't have smartphones, we don't have a internet, and we were really struggling for an information. And but now the current generation has everything is in their hand, and a lot of opportunities are there. And UAE leadership always working very hard, bringing latest technologies and also innovations and incubator programs and investment programs. This really helps with all these things, really helps the people to really becoming entrepreneurs and contributing for a better community. And this is a great opportunity for the people, and even the top universities are here, and also the incubator centers are here, and a lot of R&D things are going on, and lots of best companies also established here. So you have a lot of opportunities in the UAE, and we have to say thanks to the leadership team and the UAE, and we are really happy to be part of this community. What we can say that fashion and commitment towards delivering something to the community. So when you want to be an entrepreneur, just not for money or not for just for a business or maybe the sake of that, but if you really have the desire of solving a certain challenges, a certain problem, that's becoming a success for you. So don't be afraid of the failures, and the failures is a next step for your future success. So this is like every day is a challenge, so means you are growing actually. If there is no challenge, you are not growing. So it's just rather than thinking about routine work, think about something different, what we can do better.
So now UAE, I think this country is your second home now. We need from your side a message for UAE, for the all government in this country, for leaders, the most safety country to business and to life. From your side, Mr.
Sure. Thank you. Yeah, this is really, the UAE is also a great country, and the leadership vision and the UAE, when I came 2003, I have been closely watching the progress of the success of the UAE last almost 15 to 20 years. And across the globe, I have seen different countries, different policies and procedures, but here it's entirely different, and the leadership is always coming with the new innovations and giving an opportunity for the people and better quality of life, and even adopting the best practices across the globe to provide the better community here and multicultural environment here. Even people are coming from different countries and different places. So this really helps. This is a unique place in the world where you will be seeing this kind of environment. This is a great opportunity, and we have to say thanks to the Highness for giving all this kind of cultural and the great platform for the community, and even it's personally and professionally. So it's really balanced, well balanced life. So I really appreciate the leadership team, as well as personally. I'm really happy to be part of this community, and it's a great opportunity for us actually.
Thank you so much, everyone. See you next week with a new successful story here in UAE. Bye bye.
دبي تعطيك امان.
وظل القيادة الرشيدة اللي فيها، اللي هي حببت الناس والعالم كله في هالبلد. فأنا بالفعل فخور بنفسي وبفخور بهالدولة الطيبة.
لبناني. أنا شخصيا ابن مصر.
قيام على البلد ليل مع نهار، تركيزه، ما كنا وصلنا للي وصلنا.
أنا والله عمري 5 سنين وأنا تحت البوش، وهذا يعني اللي ما له ماضي الله يرحم أبوي زايد ما له حاضر.
فاليوم الكل عايش، سواء موافد أو مواطن، نحمد الله سبحانه وتعالى أن نحن في أمان وفي استقرار وفي أحلى، يعني وين ما تروح تلقى أنك أنت بين أخوانك وبين أهلك وبين ربعك وبين عشيرتك وبين الجميع.
تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. إلا دار زايد لا تقرب حماها لا تقرب منازلها إلا محب زايد أسسها واليوثن وراها داروا على الدانات 7 أبد. نحنا شعوب لها نفدى تراها